Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone else.
Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody online.
Today, we want to talk about a topic that is quite common and comes up often in our coaching calls, which is fixing people. Adrian, what are your thoughts uh, about fixing people?
Well, Karin, nobody wants to be fixed. People want to feel heard, understood, respected. When you are in a workplace, uh, trying to fix someone on their performance often backfires. People may perceive these efforts that you put in as criticism, or they may feel micromanaged. And that naturally leads to resistance and even worse to disengagement. What do you think, Karin, would be a much better approach rather than fixing people?
Yeah, all you said is very true. I think we all have to learn to accept the person and to help people improve their behavior. So those are two different things. Every person brings something unique to the workplace. And when they are very different than we are, then sometimes it can be frustrating. But that's why it's so important. Accept the person, help people like improve their behavior. People are not their behavior. Though they are two different things. And if you approach it from that angle, you will have much better results.
Yeah. Great. People are not their behavior. That's my take on this. And this was our message for today. And we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.